So, traders, as we back at it, I'm just gonna share to you guys midweek update just to share how the markets have been looking and what we might be looking forward into encountering within this trading week, ending the month of February in a great way as we're looking forward into the new month of March, which will be the last month of Q1, just to show you 2026 is moving without waiting for anyone or begging anyone to move. So before we hit the video, 70% of you guys who are watching my YouTube channel have not yet subscribed, and if I'm adding any value into your trading journey, your trading life, or just your trading knowledge in general, all I ask of you guys is to just like on the videos, share the videos, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and to most of all, subscribe to my new YouTube channel where we are going to be working on cryptocurrency, strictly crypto, working on crypto, nothing else. So I beg of you that you click that subscribe button so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational videos and updates based on the crypto space. But without further ado, let me update you guys based on our midweek update so you can be mindful into what we're looking forward into encountering. So, as you can clearly see on NASDAQ, we spoke on our private chat. You can just click that link below so you can inquire to join so I can mentor you, teach you, and most of all, put you into this UT Academy chat where I shared our weekly trading outlook, where I chose to keep it private just for the COT Academy chat only. So we said we don't have a trade idea on NASDAQ based on having the same concept and theory that we're looking for a break above or a break below. If you don't get that, we're simply looking for fill to break to be bullish or fill to break to be bearish. So based on our COT Academy chat, we did share an exclusive trade idea, even though we never had a trade idea, even though we never had a trade idea for the week. So based on this intraday resistance, as you can clearly see the first reaction, the second reaction, and the third reaction, and our current candlestick, which is looking forward into doing what? Breaking above our very same zone. We did leave an indication that obviously price is an intraday resistance or a triple top. So if price will give you a break above or a 4-hour close above the very same zone, then we can still look for those intraday continuations to the upside, which is what we shared exclusively within our COT Academy chat. You can click that link or just text us on WhatsApp so we can send you and mentor you and teach you and put you game so you can next time understand and be an exclusive trader. So this is what we shared based on our word, based on our trade idea on NASDAQ or setup looking forward into today, Thursday, and Friday. So even though we still don't have a trade idea in this UT Academy, we still have possible trade ideas. If you just want to join, then you're going to do it. Second pair, which is gold. So on gold, we also didn't wait. We also had a confirmation that we were simply waiting for confirmation. This confirmation was based on us having to understand, is this break and retest a continuation to the upside? This is what we looked for within our midweek update, which is what we shared. So waiting for this will simply be an indication that obviously with a higher high, with a higher low and a higher high, right? Where price is currently trading, are we gonna get a break above this higher high in anticipation of possible new intraday highs? That's all we're waiting for. But if it happens that price breaks below within our very same intraday resistance, then we can still look for those moves to the downside based on price doing what, giving us multiple reactions and multiple rejections from the very same zone. But be mindful of one thing. Obviously, price gave you a break above with a higher high and a higher low where price is currently trading. If price gives us a break above or higher high in anticipation of what possible new intraday highs. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. So USDCAD, obviously, we also said we're waiting for confirmation, but we just didn't have a trade idea because where price is currently trading and our price is currently moving, it wasn't tradable enough for us. But this confirmation was very simple. Obviously, price has this very same high, and price gave you multiple rejections, and then from this bait, and then based on this multiple rejections, current price gave you a rejection. So what indications are we getting based on our simple setup that we had of a push to the downside, of a low and a high, and a low of a double bottom. What is currently happening right there, we just don't know, but we're gonna be mindful of what, having to wait and see what this price gonna do. But without further ado, this is what we're looking forward to sharing to you guys for this week, and this is what we're looking to encounter in ending the month of February. Looking forward into the new month and a new week. Without further ado, this is your boy Hala, King's COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.